Who said you cannot buy happiness when you can book your ideal academic retreat in Los Angeles? Introducing 515 Landfair Avenue, the perfect student accommodation in the heart of the city of Angeles. Make yourself comfortable at the non-ensuites at this place. The fully furnished rooms in this property are exactly what you need to make your stay memorable. Sink in the soft, cozy beds and wake up with a smile on your face every morning. The kitchen space is equipped with cutting-edge gadgets and allows you to cook your favorite dish. The on-site laundry further makes your day-to-day tasks easier. Worried about missing out on early morning classes? Rest assured that you will never run late as the property is close to the University of California and American Jewish University. Turn the regular weekdays into a blissful evening by visiting the nearby cafes and restaurants. Experience the golden hour with a rejuvenating sunbath at Venice Beach. Exploring the city becomes more exciting and less tiring when you have a convenient transport network. The property is located very close to the Gailey SB and Strathmore FS bus station and Rancho Park train station. Sounds perfect, right? Then look no more for a living space in the La La Land and book your stay from amberstudent.com.